Yeah, good evening everyone. Yep. So yeah, this is a different video. It is different in the sense that it has nothing to do with UI UX. This video is basically about the basic technical, I mean, it's basically about SEO and terminologies that you should know as an SEO specialist. So first, we'll start with on-page SEO. On-page SEO involves the whole process that takes place in your website. Yeah, they involve the whole processes that takes place in your website. On-page SEO is something you are going to do as an SEO specialist. It's something you must be conversant with. It's something you must learn. It is something that you must know how to do. So like you are seeing on the video, on-page SEO refers to all measures that can be taken directly within the website in order to improve its position in search rankings. Now let's move to elements of on-page SEO. Yeah, we have technical optimization. This involves the technical components of a website. It involves optimizing the speed, the source code, the IP address. Another part of on-page SEO is your content, writing quality content, putting keywords where they are supposed to be placed, optimizing meta description, optimizing images. Now the next is internal link. This involves linking to related pages within a web. Yeah, it is something you are definitely going to work with as an SEO specialist or expert or SEO marketer. Yeah, it's something you are going to work with. Okay, yep, that's all that is to on-page SEO. Let's move to another terminology you are going to encounter as an SEO person. Okay, now I didn't even tell you guys what SEO means. So SEO is an acronym for search engine optimization. Now what SEO does is that they help to increase visibility, they help to generate organic search traffic from Google. Now they boost your visibility on webmaster tools like Google, Bing, Yandex. Yeah, that's what SEO does. And the essence of SEO is: number one, increase visibility; two, increase ranking; three, generate leads and generate returning customers. That's what SEO is. Yeah, you can see the process of improving your website to increase its visibility on Google, Microsoft Bing, and other search engines whenever people search for what you sell or the services you provide, or information on topics in which you have deep expertise or experience in. Yeah, so that's what SEO is. Now we have SEO, we have SEM, and we have PPC. These are three different, but they are closely related, but they are three different terminologies. SEM is called search engine marketing. PPC is called pay per click. Now what is search engine marketing? Yeah, search engine marketing is an umbrella of SEO. Yeah, it involves PPC activities like you bidding. You are targeting a particular keyword, then you pay Google. You pay for Google ads. You run Google ads for that keyword so that you can rank better, or not. I won't say rank better, so that you can actually drive organic traffic from search engine quickly. Now search engine optimization takes time. Yeah, it takes time. So let's say it's something that maybe you want to run a marketing strategy, or let's say it's something, I don't want to say urgent or emergent, but let's say you fall within this category, then PPC would be your best fit. Yeah, but PPC is not SEO. SEO is not PPC. SEO is a long-term goal. PPC is a short-term goal. Okay, I need to get traffic now. Immediately. Then you bid on a particular keyword. Why SEO is a long-term goal. Yeah, you generate traffic continuously, monthly, yearly, from a targeted keyword. Yeah, you can see they say PPC, they are where advertisers are charged whenever one of their ads gets clicked on. Yes, let's say, yeah, that's what PPC is. Why is SEO important? Yeah, SEO is important because, like you see, like you can see, 53% of all website traffic are delivered by organic search. Yeah, and I'm very sure that a whole lot of people, I don't have an estimate yet, but a whole lot of people use Google for their search. So this is the importance. This is why SEO is important. It puts you there. It allows people find you. You get traffic. You get customers. You get lead conversions. That's the essence of SEO. So yeah, let's move to another terminology that you would find in SEO, and this is the types of SEO. Yeah, what are the types of SEO that we have? Yeah, we have on page, we have off page, we have technical SEO, and we have local SEO. So we'll be looking at these 4 types. Yeah, you can see that top 12 types. That include white hat, black hat, but I don't want to go into that in this video. Let's just look at the 4 basic types of SEO, which are the on page, the off page, the technical, and local SEO. Yeah, I defined what on page SEO means earlier. It means improving your website. It means all optimization processes that occurs within your website. That's what on page means. While off page means all optimization processes that occurs outside your website. Example, link building. An example of this is link building. Yeah, let's just take a look at it. While technical SEO, it involves all technical aspects of your blog, maybe the XML sitemap, the canonicals, the optimizing your site speed, yeah, the overall structure of your website, your page speed, let's just call it the overall structure of your website. Yeah, you can see assigning a target, keyword, optimizing page titles, updating item descriptions, adding fresh content to a blog, updating the structure of an old article. All processes that occur within your website is called on page SEO, and it is very, very important. Very, very important. Now, off page SEO, yeah, like SEM Rush, they said off page SEO is exactly what it sounds like. It's all factors happening off your website. Like I said, link building, which is called backlinks. Yeah. Now, what backlinks does is that you either choose to get exposed. In short, backlinks is getting links from another authority website within your niche. What this does is that it helps to boost your rankings, helps to boost domain authority, it helps to increase visibility. Now, technical SEO, see, you can see it deals with duplicate content, crawl depth, mobile friendliness, structured data, page speed, yeah, all of that, security, crawlability. Yeah, we focus on the back end of your site. They focus on factors that impact your site speed, user experience, crawlability, XML sitemap, and all of that. So that's what the technical SEO is all about. Yeah, you can see if let's say you visit a website and the website is taking time to load, I bet it with you are going to leave that website like you're going to bounce back. That's what technical SEO undo. They undo issues like that. See, they are finding and fixing using robots. Robot.txt file. A robot.txt file is a file that tells Google how to crawl your site, where they should crawl and where they shouldn't. Yeah, they create sitemap. Sitemap is like normal, like the map of a country that shows all the states in a country. That's what sitemap is. Sitemap shows all the content and pages within your website. Let's move to another terminology. Okay, and this is, I think, What is keyword? Yeah. Now let me tell you what keywords are. Keywords are query. Like this, what are keywords is a keyword. Keywords are query that users type into Google search when they are looking up for an information. Okay, for example, I want to buy let's say I want to buy bags. Yeah, I'm looking for bags, like tote bags. What I will do is to go on Google and type tote bag. That query that you type into Google is what we call keywords. You can see they say keywords are words and phrases. This is Ahrefs. They say keywords are words and phrases that people type into search engine to find what they are looking for. Yes. So each time you type something on Google, that's what keywords are. Now, keywords are very, very important when it comes to search engine, because I'm very sure you don't want to target a keyword that no one is searching for. Yeah, funny enough, when I started search engine optimization, or before I had started, when I got information on blogging, you can own a website, I used to write content like with passion. I used to be so interested that I just pull up content, write. Funny enough, I just discovered that funny enough, I was not getting traffic. No one was looking for the articles I wrote until one day that I stumbled upon SEO. That was when I now started to write keywords researched articles, and from there I started to gain traffic. So it's not enough that you are a good writer. The question is, are people searching for what you are writing? And now there are tools that you can use for keyword research. We have this, Ahrefs is a good tool, SEMrush is a good tool, whatmysaps.com is a good tool, Ubersuggest is a good tool, MOZ is a good tool, for keyword research. Also Asked is a good tool for keyword research. We have a lot of keyword research too, but we have Google Keyword Planner, we have Google Trends. We have quite a lot, but these are the ones that I can. We have SEO Minion. So I remember Keyword Planner, Keyword Everywhere. As I remember, I would mention them. Now see how to appear in Google for keywords. PPC, like we said earlier, you are bidding is where you pay Google to show your web page in their search result for a specific keyword. Okay, I want to rank for best, or I want to rank for maybe Kim's Court Matters. Then you pay Google for Kim's Court Matters. Like, okay, I want to be on top of this chart. You pay them. That's what pay-per-click is. Then search engine optimization. Without keywords, search engine optimization is, I don't want to say is nothing without keyword research, because what are you optimizing if you are not doing keyword research? You can see it. SEO is the process of optimizing your web pages to rank in Google's organic results, and Google's job is to rank the best, most relevant results for every search query. Like I said, search query is a keyword. Search query is a keyword. So in essence, search engine optimization involves the process of targeting a specific keyword and optimizing it for user experience. And what again? What's that? I can't forget. For user experience, and what again, Vicky? For Google search. For search result pages. You can see they said RF just from Google they have 3, and I'm very sure this is an old article. RF should have more than 303,000 organic clicks. I've seen websites that have 14.9 million. I've seen websites that have quite a number of search volume. These are free traffic that you get from Google search results pages. Okay, I want to define what an anchor text is. Yeah, basically an anchor text is a clickable link. I'm sure you've come across websites where you see click here, or you would see a text that is wrapped with a link, so that when you click on it, it takes you to either another page within the website, or another website. Now, links within a website, we call them internal links. Link outside a website, links that take you outside the website, we call them external links. Now, these links can either be links outside the website, can either be a no follow or a do follow. A do follow means that, okay, I'm passing my level of a level of authority to this website. I trust this website, and I'm passing a level of authority or link juice to this website. Most backlinks, when people do backlink outreach, most backlinks, you'd request that they do give you a do follow link. This is because a no follow link does not have much relevance. It means the person does not want to pass a level of authority to your website, but a do follow passes a level of authority to your website. Now, let's say you want to guest post on a website, or you want them to add a link from your blog to their website. Some of these blogs will request that you give them an anchor text that they are going to attach your link to. So that is it. So let's look at anchor text. This is an article from Search Engine Journal. Yeah, I love Search Engine Journal actually. Yeah, a big website when it comes to SEO. I love Search Engine Journal. I love Ahrefs. I love SEMrush. I love SEO Minion. Yeah, and my favorite SEO person is Liam Fallin, Daniel Policator, Nathan Gotch. I love Nathan Gotch. I love Brian Dean. I love Steve Tolt. I love Zoe Ashbridge. I don't know if I've got the name correctly. Yeah, you can see anchor text is the visible clickable text in a hyperlink. It is what allows users to navigate from one web page to another. Now, they said an anchor text is important because it can help search engine understand what a web page is about. Yeah. So, let's say you write an article on fashion. A good anchor text would be maybe minimalistic designs, styles, something around that. Minimalistic design, styles. Click here does not add value. It does not add value. Click here. What does click here? Click here is not a phrase or an anchor text that makes Google understand what your page is all about. Let's say you are writing an article now, and you just say for more information, and you say for more information, click here. What is in here? Okay, but instead of putting click here, let's say you just say, okay, for more information, read our article on maybe knotless braids. Knotless braid is an anchor text, and I'm sure it is a keyword. Okay, yeah, so we have types of anchor text. We have exact match. Yeah, this includes the exact match of a keyword you are targeting. For example, SEO services links to a page about SEO services. Yeah, let's say you are targeting a keyword called SEO services, then you are linking to a page about SEO services. Okay, now we have partial match, like what I said earlier, that you wrote an article. For more information on that, just visit my YouTube channel. Yeah, my name is Marvix Up on YouTube. Thanks for listening.